Do you know how I messed up with my new small glider? On windy day, I took my Suzy and wanted to check how it goes on the takeoff. At first, it was okay. I was able to kite. Even small takeoff practice was okay. But then, stronger wind gusts started to come. I was trying to fight them, but I was dragged further to the bushes.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Somewhere here, I thought about how to repair my glider and how the insurance is gonna work.
Being nosy, everything is okay. Diamonds on my chain that say my name so they know.
If this post gets one like, I'll review how this ended up and what could have been done to avoid this.
Still around. I wear a heavy crown. I've been to many towns. Ice cold with the flow, brown monster.